There's a problem here. And yes, I'm the one to blame for it. I caused it with a pickaxe the other day and some poor planning. But step one in fixing a problem I found is admitting that you have one. I know you don't want to hear that, but this is tough love. Now let's move forward. This is an easy fix, but you need access to the underworld. This gets you in. I would say about a 2-foot wide hole around the messed up pipe is going to do the trick. And you got to be careful not to jack up the pipe even more than it is when you're digging. Oh, you know what would be a cool camera angle is if I attached a GoPro to the shovel. Oh, this is going to be great. You know what else would be cool is a transition shot. Transition shots are key. Check this out. I have recreated our situation here on a tabletop. Here you have the PVC pipe and this old shirt serving as the dirt. Are you with me so far? So you see, this is the part that needs to get removed. I'd say about 10 inches. If only I had a fat chunky marker. Yes, yes. What is this? What is this all about? Heavens. I've never had a Sharpie do this before. All right, so let's see, about right here to right here. It's like writing with the severed finger. You know what I'm talking about. Let's be honest. Cool. And what you are going to need at this point are 2 couplings. These are what couplings are. I would have called them something more interesting, but that is simply what you're going to need. They will attach to this side as well as the other side. And when you cut your pipe, it needs to be a little shorter to accommodate this thing, you dig? What you do at 25/12 since you don't
Why
pay
is it
for
zoomed in like a mother effer?
A what? See, what you do since you don't pay for water at Melrose Place, first you turn it on. Oh, geez. Oh, here, you better pass by, Paul. This will be a thing of perfection. It's a little bit too big, right? Nope. That is just what I want. I pre-cut this with a chop saw, and now with Chrissy's Red Hot Blue Glue, you fasten these together. It's the easiest thing. This pretty much melts the pipes together. It's serious business. And it smells like crazy. So try not to smell it if you can. But if you find yourself smelling this too much, sure, you'll get kind of lightheaded, a little bit wobbly. You also start seeing dead people. It's kind of freaky. All right, so these are now one, never to come apart again. Oh, I'm telling you, it's horrible. Here we go, ready? Timing is everything. If this dries in your hand and not on the pipe, you have failed. Oh, wait, one more time real quick. I like it, frigada. Here we go, and now, moment of truth. Boom, and boom, and that was looking solid. I'm impressed. Or I'm done, one of the two. So this dries really fast, actually. Go take a break, do whatever you need to do, come back, fill up that hole. Actually, give it a test run first, see that it's not leaking, then fill up the hole.